So we broadly, in brief, I'll explain what we covered broadcasting last class. So capturing material cost through bill of material. So this we have covered. One more thing, capturing overhead cost to routing, that is from PP. So the routing or work center. By using this, we have captured overhead cost into the product costing. So these two scenarios we have covered, and we have covered how to create estimate, mark and release. So these things we have covered till the time, and mass casting and we have covered. So individual casting run is CK11N, individual mark and release is CK24, so mass casting run CK40N. So these are the things we have covered till the time. Today I will discuss about reversal process. Reversal of cost estimate. So first of all, I'll explain in brief about why we need to go for reversal and what is the object of the reversal, and first 10 minutes I'll explain this one. Later I will show scenario in the system. Later you can ask the doubts. Okay. So the reversal of the cost estimate objective is, first of all, whenever we are releasing the cost estimate, so it is there is a validity period will be there. Validity period. So the validity period will be from the current date or from the future date. So for the past date we cannot create cost estimate. So validity period will be from the current date or future date, and valid period to date. So what is the valid period to date? It is valid to lifetime. We can give lifetime. Lifetime we can create the cost estimate. Or if you want to specify the end date, you can specify the end date by month and date, or if you are doing monthly, you can give month end date or quarter end date. Or you can give year end date. Like this you can give the dates, from date and to date. These things we can give while creating the cost estimate. This should be valid for specified period of time, whatever we have mentioned while giving the cost estimate. So I will show where we are giving that cost estimate dates. CK11N, while creating the cost estimate for any material, so while after selecting the costing variant, here we are giving from date and to date. From date will be current date or future date. To date will be lifetime or whatever, year, month end, quarter end or year end. So like this we are giving here. And why we are going for the reversal process? For example, after releasing the cost estimate, So there may be a chance that our expected price is, if it is not meeting the expectations. For example, expected price for our finished good or finished material. For example, finished material is TVS scooter. Our expected price for this material is around 50,000 after doing cost estimate. But if after releasing, if you find that as we are doing the mass casting, all companies will go for mass cost estimate. After running the mass cost estimate, they will verify the prices for the material. When they are verifying the material prices, if they find that this material cost is showing instead of 50,000, if it is showing around 1,50,000, some odd figure it is showing, then they will realize that there will be a mistake in BOM and routing. Or for example, it is high or low, like instead of 50,000, it may show 5,000 or 1,50,000. In this scenario, they will revise, relook into the, they will recheck the BOM and routing part. So they will recheck the BOM and routing. After rechecking the BOM and routing, they may identify that so the expected quantities are different, or there is a different BOM assigned to this finished material. So if they want to change the price of the material from 1,50,000 to 50,000 or 5,000 to 50,000, so which is already cost estimate for this material already performed. So if you want to do redo the cost estimate, so first of all we need to reverse the cost estimate which is already performed. For example, for this material, yesterday we have done the cost estimate, SFG or something. I will show the cost estimate. What is the price? Here 80,000 it is showing, for example. In our example, total value is 80,000. 80,000 consisting of 12,000 as overhead cost, 68,000 is material cost. Total is appears 80,000. But as per the expected price is 50,000 or 60,000 around. So if you want to change some figure, management is looking into the quantities. For example, here they given 10 quantities, 10 quantity of raw material 3. They feel that not this quantity is wrong, and they want to give only 5 quantities. They want to bring back the price to 60,000. So it is expected price is 60,000, but system is showing 80,000. But this cost estimate which is already released on first. So in this case, what we need to do? First of all, we need to revise the BOM for this material. So how we can revise? So we will inform the PP consultant or PP department to change the quantity from 10 to 5. If there is any changes in quantities or if there is changes in material, we will inform to relevant department. They will correct the quantities. So in our example, here 80,000 is the expected price. Expected price is 60,000, but system is showing 80,000. We need to correct this by doing the reversal of cost estimate. After doing the reversal, these things will be will remove, like it is available for cost estimate. So I am going to reverse the cost estimate by using the transaction CKR1. CKR1 is the transaction code for reversal of cost estimate. here by using this transaction we can do individual material reversal or mass material reversal. Here in this CKR1 there is a possibility of selection items, selection of materials. There we can do the reversal by selecting the relevant materials. So here I am selecting the company code and the plant I am selecting and material number, which for this I want to do the reversal. So this is TVS SFG 1001 is the material I am selecting. So here what we need to do, here there is a test run option is there with output is there. So first we need to see test result.
Pawan?
Yeah.
Pawan, I just want to know whether the period should be open or something is required or no for.
Let me complete. Current cost estimate you can do anything. So whenever you are doing, it is valid from the current date only. That's why I mentioned here.
Okay, current date is June.
Yeah, you cannot do reversal for past date. Whenever you are doing that will happen in current period only. You cannot do perform this will not perform in past date.
So if we are doing for past date, so the period should be open, right?
That question will not arise. We are not doing in past date. Current cost estimate, everything is in current date only. Current and future.
Okay. So suppose we did it in a current estimation in 29 or 30 of May. Now we are on 2nd of June or 1st of June. So how we can reverse it, or it's not possible?
Whatever you, if it is, for example, if the cost estimate done in last year also, if you want to do the reversal, it is possible. That's it. So it is not dependent on previous date. Our objective is to change the price, correct the price from here. Whatever the component, if you want to change, we are doing. So it is a reversal means it will not go and reverse on the previous period. It is not.
So you mean to say we have to run the cycle once again on the next day?
Again we need to do, that's it. So for that purpose we are doing, and it is not concerned about the old date. So whenever you are doing the reversal and system will consider the current date only, and later if you are doing the cost estimate, it will take current date only.
Okay, we'll see.
Here you need to click on current cost estimate, and test results we need to check before going. Delete cost estimate, it is showing the warning, so it will show warning, and you can go ahead. And it is just as it is a test result, it is showing the material. So if you are giving 10 materials will appear here. So display cost estimate, if you see, after running the transaction, this is yesterday's, it is related, you see. But normally in system should delete every cost estimate actually. So it was deleted yesterday's, but in a live scenario you will get it will be 0 actually. So costed by reverse by everything will be 0. Earlier it is showing 80,000, now it is, and it came to 68,000 now. Whatever the cost estimates which is having, it will delete actually. Reorganize the cost estimate I am doing. After deleting the cost estimate by using this transaction, you can have a chance to create cost estimate for the same material. you can give the plant and variant. Now you are giving start date is 2nd. You can give this month end also you can give. If you are doing the monthly cost estimate, the validity date, from date and to date, 30th June you can give, and you can try to. So now it is appearing 80,000. By looking into these items, you can identify that these 10 items are not required, only 5 items. So if you inform the PP consultant or PP department to change the quantity in BOM for this item, they will change the quantity from 10 to different quantity. I will show that one, how to change the quantities in BOM. CS02 is the transaction code. Normally this can be done by PP department. Here line items will be there. So here quantity we have given 10. Now I am giving 5. So earlier 10 is it is wrong. That's why we are correcting the quantities. I am just saving. Now I am going back to this screen. I will run again.
Pawan, the change log part, can you go to the change log once? Change history.
No, let me complete total. So now we are getting the 60,000 price. So this is the quantity we have corrected from 10 to 5. So now expected quantity, expected price we'll see. So earlier 80,000 is the price. So now it is we are meeting the expectation. So we corrected